Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Geek. In today's video we are going to break down one of the most reliable candlestick patterns for spotting potential trend reversals. So we are talking about the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern, and this 5 candle formation can be a powerful tool in your trading strategy, helping you identify when a downtrend is losing momentum and a bullish reversal could be on the horizon. So stay with me until the end of this video, as we will not only cover how to recognize this pattern but also how to apply it in your trades with precision, including entry points, stop loss placements and profit targets. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. So let's start with the pattern overview and key components. So this is a trading view platform, and this is GBP USD on the daily time frame. And you are looking at the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern. I'm just going to explain the pattern overview and the key components. So the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern is a powerful 5 candle formation that signals a potential reversal from bearish to bullish momentum. So this pattern has demonstrated a 59% success rate as a reversal indicator, making it a valuable addition to any trader's analytical toolkit. So let's break down the key concepts of this pattern. The first candle is a long bearish candle, indicating strong downward momentum. The second candle is also bearish, opening with a gap down from the previous close. And the third and fourth candles, which is these 2 candles, let me use my arrow to annotate this. This is the second candle, this is the third and fourth candle. Now the third and fourth candles are smaller bearish candles, suggesting a weakening downward pressure. And the fifth candle, and this is the final candle, is a strong bullish candle that breaks above the previous resistance levels, typically above the third candle or above the second candle, anyone. And it must break with enough bullish momentum above these bearish candles. So this pattern structure reflects the changing dynamics in the market. The initial strong bearish candles represent seller dominance, but while the smaller bearish candles indicate the waning control. And this final bullish candle signifies buyers stepping in with force, potentially marking the beginning of a new trend, and which will be an uptrend, marking the beginning of an uptrend. So let's quickly dive into the trading strategy. So developing an effective trading strategy around the bullish breakaway pattern is crucial for maximizing its potential. Here is a systematic approach to trading this pattern effectively, and let me just hop on the chart so that we can be able to spot this. So the bearish breakaway candlestick pattern is not really rampant in the market. It doesn't occur often, but when it does occur, it is 59% reliable based on statistics of people who have used it, and investors and big money traders who use this pattern and rely on this pattern. So developing an effective strategy around this isn't hard. The optimal entry point is typically at the opening of the 6th trading day following the completion of the 5 candle pattern, and this allows for confirmation of the bullish reversal and reduces the risk of false breakouts. So you can see this was the bearish movements. You can see we have about 4 bearish candles here. There was no gap actually, but the gap is not really the main component. The main components are the bearish candles and the weakening momentum. You can see this small bodied candle showing that this bearish push might be coming to an end. Then the final candle, the 5th and the final candle, breaking above these resistance levels, and that is the main thing. Those are the main components of the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern. And so the entry should be at the opening of the 6th candle, which is this. Your stop loss should be below the bullish breakaway pattern, below the entire pattern. and this level represents a point where the bullish reversal hypothesis would be invalidated if breached. So take profit could be at the previous swing high. So this level often acts as reverse resistance and provides a favorable risk to reward ratio. So for more aggressive traders, consider scaling out the position and taking partial profits at the first target and letting the remainder run with trailing stop. Either way, your risk management is up to you, but it's advised you always apply risk management to your trades. So this is how you you use the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade, and adjust the position size accordingly based on the distance between your entry point and stop loss. Confirmation indicators could be, you could consider using the RSI to confirm oversold conditions, and you could use also the MACD, and you could also use volume to validate the strength of the reversal. For example, I'm using the RSI to validate this buy signal which the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern gave us. You can see the RSI went slightly below. It's just touched 30. It didn't exactly go below it, but that shows oversold conditions, and we should be looking to buy. And you can see it corresponds with the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern, and we should be looking to enter buying trades at that 6th candle, which is what we did, as price is basically oversold at the RSI is oversold at the moment. You could also consider other confirmations. You can see we are bullish here, but the RSI is giving us lower lows instead of higher lows, because we are supposed to be bullish. And this is an indication that yes, this is a divergence in the market. It's a hidden bullish divergence. They call it a hidden bullish divergence, because the RSI is actually below 30, and this is not a classic divergence, it's a hidden bullish divergence, and the RSI is below 30, and you can see price giving us that push from there to the upside to break structure. And before we had the actual classic divergence, which would mean that this is a bearish is actually a bearish divergence in the classic when trading the classic divergence. But this actually we had here was a hidden bullish divergence, which was an additional indication we could use to take this buy trade. Let's look for another example of the bullish breakaway candlestick pattern. Now this is another good one. You can see this gap. This one has a gap, then a series of small bodied candles, bearish candles, and next we have this gap and this force. You see the bullish force, the bullish momentum entering the market, pushing the price up, breaking all this resistance, and this corresponds with the RSI, which is below 30, and that signifies that we are oversold at the moment. We should be looking for buying opportunities. This also corresponds with this support level, and we should enter at the open of the, let me just remove this arrow, should open at the open of this 6th candle here. Take profit levels at major resistance zones. Take profit levels could increase however you want. You could also use trailing stop losses. So that is the bullish breakaway pattern. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you've learned a lot by understanding the bullish breakaway pattern, its structure, the psychology behind it, and applying a solid trading strategy with proper risk management. You can improve your chances of success in the Forex market. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future trading insights. Always remember to remain disciplined, and see you in the next video. Until next time, happy trading.